Welcome back, guys. Happy 4th of July. It is the Sunday after the 4th, and I'm back here with the John Deere 326E and a skid steer mounted hydraulic brush cutter on loan from one of my buddies. Definitely isn't one of the nicest ones out there, but dang it, it does the job. I've already had it out back here. This is the big 12-acre hayfield, and I've already gone along this entire tree line, just pushing the edges back to where they belong and trimming trees as high up as I can reach. So I've had a little bit of practice with it, kind of got a feel for what it will and won't do, what it does and doesn't like. So figure I'll get the camera out, and well, I still have about 80% of this field to do yet, so enough yapping. Let's get to it. cut a little bit short. We started over in that corner back there, and I was able to work my way up all along here, came around a turn, coming up through here, everything was going all nice and hunky-dory. Then I got in here, tried to chew up some of these grapevines and whatnot, and found a stump. And, well, I don't know if you can see that blade very well, but she's a little bent in multiple directions. Same with this one, a little, yeah. And I also noticed that we got a crack right here in this bar. That end looks good. And we got some oil seeping around this bolt right here, and this gearbox a little loose. So, yeah, I'm gonna go back and see what's going on with that. Okay, so we're back out here brush hogging with the skid steer brush hog. Got it all fixed up, and it's better than it was before. I finished up that field that you seen me in just a moment ago, and now we're on another section of field up here in the back. I made an executive decision to go ahead and brush hog the entire field. I had the bat wing out because all this was coming up real bad in hemp dogbane, and I'm having an internal struggle to spray it. If it keeps it up and I can't control it with mowing, I think I'm just going to have to bite the bullet and do it and spray it. But it's been, ever since we made first cut, we've hardly got any rain, so the second cutting wasn't worth a dang anyway. So I'm like, well, we'll just abandon it, mow it down, and try to keep these weeds under control. But subject at hand, this line right here, this tree line, is in pretty bad shape. We can push it back quite a bit up there in the corner, and honestly all of the field boundaries need a good pushback. So that's what we're working with today. Like I said, we got the brush hog all fixed up. So what my buddy did, he made some new blades. This is AR 400 or 500, one or the other. He cut them out on his plasma table, and then I had to break out the 7-inch grinder to put an edge on them. This one could have went a little bit further. And then on this bar, he cut some plates and welded in here. This was open, and grass and stuff would get stuck inside of here and throw this thing off balance really bad. But it's been working pretty good. For what it is and what it costs, it's a pretty dang good brush hog. It sure beats the heck out of a 3.1 on the back of a tractor. Always having to reach down, shifting in and out of reverse. You can only lift it so high, and twisting your neck around to look behind you. You do that for 5-6 hours in a day, and yeah, your neck is pretty sore. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and yeah, watch some more destruction. Alright guys, well, got quite a bit done. I'm gonna keep going, but I think that's about enough video of this. I'm sure there's only so much that you guys can watch, but if you like the video and you want to see more of it, let me know in the comments, because there's definitely plenty more to get done. So if you want to see more, let me know. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel, and until next time, have a good one.